Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this crowd-pleasing crab and shrimp dip. So delicious, you will not be able to get enough of it. But before I show you guys how it's done, of course, if you're new here, please subscribe. Also, if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's jump right into it. To a medium-high heat skillet, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to allow that to melt. Once melted, I am going to add about 20 to 24 shrimp in there. I went ahead and diced them into small pieces. You can either do it after or before. And also, I am going to cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes. I'm using Old Bay seasoning and some Slap Your Mama seasoning to season the shrimp. I'm going to season the shrimp very lightly, by the way, because there will be more seasoning to come throughout this video. All right, once the shrimp is nice and cooked, I am going to remove it and set it aside. Now to the same skillet, I am going in with about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once that is nice and melted, I have some shredded onions. You can either slice them very fine. I decided to just grated them myself. So I shredded the onions and as well as some red bell peppers. This will add so much flavors to your crab dip. I'm telling you, okay? I'm going to saute these for about a minute or until they're nice and softened. And if you need more butter, just add some more. Also, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to cook that for about a minute or so. Next, I am going in with my spinach. I'm using about 15 to 16 ounces of fresh spinach. You can use frozen as well. I'm going to cook the spinach until they look something like this, nice and soft. I'm going to set that aside. I am using the same skillet again. I'm going to pour about 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And also I'm going to be adding 8 ounces of cream cheese in there. We're going to allow that to melt. Once our cream cheese is nice and melted, I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Yes, please add this. Everything that I add into this recipe, please use every single one of them, unless you don't eat them, of course. But if you want yours to taste exactly like mine, 10 out of 10, you got to try and add everything that I added to mine. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. Parmesan cheese can be added as well. However, I didn't use any for today's recipe. I'm going to melt that just like so. Next, I am going to be adding in the shrimp that I cooked earlier, as well as some crab meat. All of the measurement will be below for you. And this seasoning combination right here is bomb, okay? I'm using Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, paprika, some onion powder, and dry parsley, okay? Pour that in there and mix it up together. Next, I am going to grab the spinach with everything else, just pour it in there. Tell me this is not going to be tasty. Come on, this right here is the ultimate crab and shrimp dip that your crowd will be asking for every single time. Let me tell you, okay? So I'm going to mix that together just like so, and it smells so good, you guys. It tastes good and it smells good. Let me tell you. This right here is just a winner in my book. Now I'm going to grab my baking dish and just pour all of this goodness to my baking dish, and we're going to top it off with some more cheese, okay? That looks so good and cheesy. Now here comes the mozzarella cheese. I'm going to cover it up with lots of mozzarella cheese. You can add whatever cheese that you like on top, but I choose to use mozzarella. And once I'm done, I like to add a little bit of paprika on top just to give it that beautiful golden brown color on top. Now I'm not going to cover this at all. I'm just going to bake it on 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And if you want a nice golden brown color on top, you can also set your oven to boil just to have that golden brown color. Once it's done, it comes out looking like this. Oh, looks so good, you guys, and it tastes amazing. I'm going to garnish with some fresh parsley, and you guys, this is the recipe. This recipe was so good. I am giving this a 12 out of 10, okay? It was so good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Y'all need to try this out to see what I'm talking about. Tastes so good. I don't think I can find this at any restaurant, okay? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.